The phrase how much is used to ask about quantity when referring to uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted individually. For example, water, sugar, and air are uncountable nouns. It is important to learn how to use how much correctly to ask questions about amounts or quantities. How much is used with uncountable nouns to ask about quantity or amount? Uncountable nouns refer to things you cannot count one by one. Examples include water and sugar. Questions like how much water do you drink or how much sugar is in the recipe show how to use how much with these nouns. How much is used with uncountable nouns to ask about quantity, while how many is used with countable nouns in plural form to ask about number. For example, how much water do you need is correct, but for countable nouns, you ask how many apples are there. Countable nouns include objects like apples and chairs. In everyday conversation, how much is often used with uncountable nouns related to food, drink, and daily life. For example, how much milk do you want? Or how much money do you need? Answers often include phrases like a little, some, or specific amounts such as 2 cups or 30 minutes. When shopping, how much is used to ask about the amount of uncountable items such as bread or cheese. For example, how much bread do you want? Or how much cheese is there? You might hear answers like half a loaf or 200 grams. This usage helps when buying items that are not counted individually. Uncountable nouns include liquids and substances like water, milk, and sugar, as well as abstract ideas and mass nouns like time, money, and information. It is important to remember that these nouns do not have plural forms and are always treated as singular when asking questions with how much. Some more examples of uncountable nouns are food items like bread and cheese, abstract nouns such as advice and knowledge, and materials like wood and glass. These nouns are used with how much when asking about quantity. They are always singular and do not have a plural form. To use how much correctly, remember 3 key rules. First, use how much with uncountable nouns only. Second, answers often include quantity words like a little or a lot. Finally, never use how much with countable plural nouns. Instead, use how many for objects that can be counted.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.